Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is September 4th, 2025, and here are our top stories. Image AI, AI surveillance, Swiss AI, AI chemistry. Image AI. The Python library Diffusers makes it incredibly simple to generate AI-created images, requiring just 2 lines of code. By setting up a processing pipeline, users can create countless unique images. With Python and the Diffusers library from Hugging Face, anyone can generate AI images on their own computer. This process involves transforming a noisy image into a new creation through a neural network. Users can generate images based on text descriptions or modify existing images with AI to fit a desired style. No prior knowledge of AI mathematics or complex algorithms is needed, and even basic models can run on standard computers without expensive hardware. AI surveillance. Stepping onto the bustling streets from Mannheim's main train station, one finds themselves in one of the most monitored areas in Baden-Württemberg, where surveillance cameras meticulously track footsteps, especially in crime-prone zones. Tübingen is eyeing similar measures at its bus station to deter graffiti artists and discourage severe crimes, stirring controversy with privacy advocates. The local data protection officer argues that crime rates at the bus station aren't significantly higher than elsewhere in the city, questioning the necessity. On the political front, the CDU is advocating for AI-driven video surveillance that doesn't solely focus on crime hotspots. Manuel Hegel, the CDU state leader, emphasizes AI's ability to intelligently alert authorities to suspicious activities, such as detecting weapons or unusual crowd behavior, and argues for its potential to enhance public safety. However, experts like Professor Rita Haverkamp from the University of Tübingen caution that cameras may not effectively reduce fear, suggesting instead that they often provide temporary reassurance, with lighting and other measures potentially playing a more significant role in safety. Swiss AI. Switzerland has introduced an open-source AI model named Apertus, aimed at offering an alternative to proprietary options like OpenAI's ChatGPT or Anthropic's Claude. Available on the AI model platform Hugging Face, Apertus is fully transparent, with its source code, training data, model weights, and development process accessible to all. The model supports over 1,800 languages and is available in 2 sizes, featuring either 8 billion or 70 billion parameters. It aligns with the European Union's copyright standards and AI code of practice, using only public sources for training data and respecting AI crawler opt-out requests. SWI suggests Apertus is on par with Meta's 2024 Llama 3 model. AI chemistry. Flower, a new approach by MIT researchers, introduces a generative AI system for predicting chemical reactions with enhanced accuracy. By incorporating fundamental physical principles, Flow-Air ensures the conservation of mass by tracking all electrons in reactions, preventing errors like the spurious addition or deletion of electrons, a limitation in previous models. This advancement is not just theoretical, it has practical implications for fields like medicinal chemistry and materials discovery. Published in the journal Nature, this development holds promise for more reliable and accurate predictions in various scientific disciplines, potentially paving the way for breakthroughs in these areas. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.